Hello, and welcome to HW Staffing Solutions. My name is Marie Beato, and I will be showing you how to log into Kronos for the first time and how to punch in and punch out on your time card. So here you will see, this is the bookmark that you have all received via email. You have a username and password and this link. I do suggest that you create a bookmark for this link. That way it'll be easy to access. I'm going to type in the username and password that I received. So upon the first time, you will need to configure virtual code settings. You will need to review this phone number and email, make sure that's accurate. If the phone number and email do need to be changed, please let me know. I will change that for you. I'll go ahead and click Save. Now you need to choose which method, if you want a text message, a voice call, or an email sent. I like to do text message because it comes directly to my phone. I'm going to pick text message and send text message. I'm now going to check my phone for the text message, enter in the code I received. Please make sure that you check off the box. By checking this box, the system will not require the entry of a code from this browser and computer each login. Click Continue. This is now my home page, your dashboard. You have time off requests, your schedule, announcements, and a start menu. There are two start menus, one in blue with my current timesheet, request time off. There is another in orange. They are both the same, does not matter which you choose, my current timesheet or request time off. Up at the top, you also have my account. If you want to click on that, you can do the same functions, my timesheet. You can either view your current or historical time off. You can do request, history, calendar, or accruals history. Your settings, which is where you will change your password. Your schedule, my profile, and my learning. My learning is just a guide to how to use the system. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the start menu and say my current timesheet. When you pull into your current timesheet, you will clock in at the top and clock out. You don't have to click save, it will automatically save for you. So I'll go ahead and click clock in now. You see my time will register here. You are not able to edit punches, so if you click on here, it will be grayed out because you cannot edit a punch. So we're going to use this as an example. I am here, I am not able to edit this punch. Let's say I punched in at 5:17 and that was a mistake. You will simply, you're going to need to take some action here. So if you want to come over here to add a note, you can say this will go an email to your manager. You will say, missed punch, please remove duplicate punch for 5:17 p.m. Once you click save, that email will go to your manager. That will trigger your manager to, oh, I need to come in and edit their punch for them. Once you are done working for the day, you will click clock out. And that is the only function that you need to do with your historical time card, to clock in and clock out. If you need to take a look at your next time card, you can click here and say next time card, or you can go back to your previous one. Your time card profile is set up that you do not need to punch in and out for lunches. So after you work 6 hours, there will be an automatic lunch deduction. So you only need to clock in when you start working and clock out when you're done. Your time card will also be submitted for you on Mondays. So your time card will be submitted. You do not have to come in here and click submit, which is nice because if you're out of the office or you forget, it will be submitted for you. If there is any missing punches, we will notify you and say, hey, you have a missed punch, or your manager will view that. Your manager will not be able to approve the time card with a missing punch. If you do need to request time off, you can come back here to the start menu, say request time off. You will choose the category you want. You have a list here. You guys will have sick pay or RTO. RTO is requested time off. That's an unpaid category. If you are in a state that has sick time, you are in New Jersey, so you will have a sick time accrual. If you want to use that sick pay, you will choose sick pay. You have an option here. You can pick full day. You also can choose partial day, start and stop. So if you want to do this, I'll click on a date in October. Say you need 8 to 12. It'll automatically populate in those 4 hours. Partial day bulk is if you just need 4 hours off, you're not sure of the time, that's when you would use this. And multiple days is if you need more than 1 day off, you will enter that in. If you don't want to be paid your full 8-hour day, you can enter 4 hours of sick pay and you can choose your date range. So I want to be paid for the 17th and 18th for 4 hours, and I can say something like doctor's appointment. And you will click Submit Request. This will generate a notification to your manager that you have requested time off for those specific days. If you want to click View History here, you can click View History, and you'll be able to see your time off history. If I want to go back to my home page, I can say Home. And then again, you will see your time off requests. You can sort this week, this month, next month. There's no requests in here yet. If you click on your name here in the corner, you can just choose Log Out. You can choose Refresh at any time. And then again, if you just need to reset your password, come to Account, My Settings, and change password. That concludes the training for Kronos Workforce Ready. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 508-694-3712. Thank you again, and welcome to HW Staffing.